This video will explain the daily habits that are quietly killing your face glow, based on research from top universities, dermatology clinics, and health organizations. You've probably noticed it before. Some days you look in the mirror and something feels off. Your skin looks dull. Your eyes feel tired. Your energy feels lower than it should. Not because you stopped caring, not because you're doing everything wrong, but because your glow is responding to your daily habits. Glow isn't something you apply. It's something your body produces when it's functioning well. Today we're breaking down 7 habits that quietly kill your glow. Not dramatically, not overnight, but slowly and consistently. And exactly how to reverse them using science-backed lifestyle strategies. Habit 1. Sleeping late and poor sleep quality. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a biological necessity for your skin. Sleep allows your body to repair DNA damage, regenerate skin cells, and restore your protective barrier. Without quality sleep, repair mechanisms falter. During deep sleep, collagen production and cell turnover increase. But when sleep is disrupted or delayed, those processes slow down. Studies show sleep deprivation is linked to increased inflammation, higher cortisol, and slower wound healing, all of which dull your complexion and prematurely age your skin. Glow killers from sleep loss. Dull, uneven tone. Puffy or hollow eyes. Fine lines that look worse in the morning. Slowed repair of sun or environmental damage. How to fix it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep with consistent timing. Wind down screens at least 60 minutes before bed. Dim lights and create sleep ritual cues. Dr. Nathan Holt, a cosmetic expert, emphasizes that beauty sleep is not a myth. Sleep is when your skin does its most important work. Habit 2. Skipping daily sun protection. Sun damage is the #1 cause of visible aging, including dullness, uneven tone, wrinkles, and dark spots. UV rays break down collagen and elastin, the fibers that give your skin firmness, smoothness, and bounce. Even on cloudy days, UVA rays penetrate windows and indoor light sources, glow killers from sun exposure, photoaging, fine lines and pigmentation, collagen breakdown, loss of elasticity and radiance. How to fix it? Wear broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every day, even indoors. Reapply when outdoors. Use protective clothing and hats during peak UV hours. Pair SPF with antioxidants, like vitamin C, to fight free radicals. This isn't just aesthetic. It protects DNA in your skin cells and prevents long-term damage. Habit 3. Chronic dehydration. Your skin is mostly water, and water is essential for plumpness, elasticity, barrier function, and radiance. Hydrated skin resists environmental stressors better and reflects light more evenly, which is why well-hydrated skin looks brighter and healthier. Chronic dehydration reduces elasticity, increases dryness, and can lead to fine lines and that flat, tired look. Glow killers from dehydration. Dry, flaky texture. Tightness and dullness. More visible fine lines. How to fix it? Drink water consistently throughout the day. Eat water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, leafy greens, and berries. Apply hydrating products like hyaluronic acid serums on slightly damp skin. Hydration doesn't magically create glow. It enables the biology that produces it. Habit 4. Excess sugar and processed food. What you eat doesn't just affect your body. It affects your skin's biology. High sugar and processed foods fuel systemic inflammation and glycation, where sugar binds to collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle. Glycation accelerates aging and kills elasticity, making skin look dull. Chronic inflammation also increases the likelihood of breakouts, redness, and sensitivity. Glow killers from diet. Inflammation that dulls complexion. Collagen damage, increased oxidative stress. How to fix it? Reduce sugary snacks and processed ingredients. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables, include lean protein and healthy fats. Incorporate antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E. Nutrition is a cornerstone of skin radiance. What you eat shows up on your skin. Habit 5. Smoking and excess alcohol. Smoking and alcohol are 2 of the most aggressive lifestyle factors for skin aging. Smoking narrows blood vessels and reduces oxygen and nutrient delivery to the skin, damaging collagen and accelerating wrinkles. It also increases oxidative stress. Alcohol is a diuretic, pulling water out of your body and skin, compromising hydration, and increasing inflammation. Glow killers from smoking and alcohol. Collagen breakdown. Poor circulation. Dry, dull skin. Redness and puffiness. How to fix it. Reduce or quit smoking, drink alcohol in moderation. Hydrate before, during, and after alcohol consumption. Even moderate improvement often results in visible changes: firmer skin, more even tone, and less redness. Habit 6. Overdoing skincare and touching your face. More skincare does not equal better skin. Overexfoliating, frequently switching products, or using harsh treatments can weaken your skin barrier, leading to irritation, redness, and breakouts. Constantly touching your face transfers oils and bacteria, clogging pores and disrupting healing cycles. Glow killers from skincare. Missteps, barrier damage. Redness and irritation, clogged pores and inflammation. How to fix it. Cleanse gently twice daily. Moisturize consistently with products suited to your skin type. Avoid touching your face unnecessarily. Use sunscreen daily as the foundation step. Less is more. Strong, healthy skin reflects light better and glows naturally. Habit 7. Chronic stress and nervous system. Overload. Stress isn't just emotional, it's physiological, and your skin feels it. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which increases oil production, impairs immune function, and disrupts your skin's barrier. High stress worsens conditions like acne and eczema. When your nervous system is on alert, your glow goes offline. Glow killers from stress. Inflammation breakouts, slowed healing. Flat complexion. How to fix it? Practice daily stress relief, slow breathing, meditation, or brief walks. Engage in physical activity to lower cortisol. Prioritize hobbies and relaxation moments. Glow isn't just skin deep. It reflects how calm and regulated your body is. Glow is not loud. It's not forced. And it's not instant. Glow is the result of your body working with you, not against you. Choose habits that support your biology. Regular sleep, hydration, proper sun protection, mindful eating, and stress management. These habits don't just make your skin look better, they make your body function better. Your glow will return slowly, quietly, and naturally. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. Stay curious, stay consistent, and as always, stay healthy.